This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is Reimo, who are well known for their catalogue with all sorts of things for campers. This is Alex, who has, I think fair to say, built this van, or at least the interior of it.
No, not really built, but a lot of the construction, designing of the interior.
That was your work and your ideas. Okay, so we have here it's a VW 6.1 MultiStyle.
Exactly. And we have here two single beds. You're sitting on one chair right now. The other one is converted to a bed. We can convert both to a bed. Two single beds. You can walk to the back, and you can add additional cushion here. So you have a double bed for around your upside of the body.
Yeah.
And in the rear, we have our big kitchen, water, 2-burner cooker, big cabinet to hang your clothes, and behind the cabinet is the big trick of the MultiStyle. It's the rear toilet.
And this is really the pièce de résistance.
Yeah.
This
is a
is
toilet like in a big motorhome, but in a small VW.
Yeah.
This one is the long wheelbase. We can also do the same at the short wheelbase.
Right, so this van is 530 centimeter, but the short one is 495 of 190. So yeah, a toilet in a 490
VW.
Yeah. So that's really clever, because what we want as much as possible is this autonomy that the toilets are inside, and this is really important. I personally think it's really important for campers.
Yeah. And also very important is the fridge. Dometic fridge.
And there's a lot of space up here as well. In fact, there's more space up there than there's in many motorhomes in the kitchen.
You can come also outside. Storage.
Yep,
two bottles of gas. 5 kilogram.
Yep, medium sized. Yep.
Outside shower. Optional hot shower. So you can have a nice hot shower outside. We have a curtain that goes all around here. You saw from the outside, I think, the pop-top roof.
Yep. Oh. So this, yeah.
Pop-top roof has 2 beds inside.
Two places there, yeah, and great, yeah.
Yeah, it's more an extra bed for someone for overnight. The primary beds are the downstairs beds.
Yes, yeah.
So last thing that's missing, heating. As usual, you can choose between gas heating or diesel heating. Everything else we can see at the price tag.
Oh, okay then.
And yeah, that's the MultiStyle.
Yeah, so just to make this clear, how the chair at the front is captain's chair.
Yeah.
The driver's chair's been turned round to incorporate the bed. The rear chairs, which come from Reimo, I think, don't they?
Yeah.
These two.
Yeah,
and
from us.
And so a pretty large table in the circumstances.
And we have a second table stored in the sliding door that sits here.
Yeah.
So 2 tables, 4 seats, perfect.
And the toilet can be used whilst the roof is down. I mean, it's a bit of a squash, but it can be used.
It can be used for sure.
Yeah. Well, beats using a bucket, I suppose. Oh, and we have down here power supply. And here we've got the prices, or price. So,
our Reimo base price is always vehicle with furniture kit and seats. In addition to that are our options from Volkswagen. Every customer can choose whatever he likes. Next part are the Reimo options. And then we have a complete price of near sharp under 83,000. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. And so VW 6.1 long wheelbase, multi-style, and there we go. So, well, thanks for showing that. I'll just sort of walk around and give a final look at it. And now I upload every day at 21:15. And so if you subscribe, you'll know when I'm uploading, though I've just told you, but sometimes I upload at other times as well. And do lives and other things. So thanks for being here today and watching this, and all the best from us in Stuttgart. Not in Stuttgart, in Düsseldorf. Bye for now.